It is January 1st, 2022. Happy New Year. About a week ago, just after Christmas, we got an unusually heavy snow. We don't typically get snow at this elevation, and it sure doesn't stick around when we do. But we got this incredible heavy, wet snowstorm that took down trees across the county. I don't know if you can hear the generators running in the background. Wiped out power lines. So this is our property now, and we haven't made any progress on house building or anything like that, but it's covered with snow, which is kind of unusual. Last time I saw this was several years ago. Thankfully, it looks like the trees that were left are still standing. Trees that were left after the fire. So no great damage there. But certainly this is a view we don't see very often at all. And I guess, there are a couple trees that fell. Or a couple of branches came out of this tree. I think this tree's going to go anyhow. So it's kind of adding insult to injury. The snowstorm knocked down trees, which took out power lines, which wiped out power to our rental house. So we've been in a hotel for the last week or so, because with no power at the rental house, there's no water. And it had a wood stove, but that threw almost no heat, and it was freezing cold. Liz was not well, and so we've been in a hotel with our 4 dogs for the last week, which I'm hoping insurance will cover. I don't know. We have rental insurance, but I don't know if it covers loss of use under that circumstance. So, happy 2022. There's a beautiful poem, I can't remember it now, but talks about how the good All-Father above covers all hurts in time, just like the snow covers all things as well. And this is a beautiful example of that. So this is our property under snow, and we are hoping in 2022 that we'll make some steps forward with what we're going to do. And that's all the news that I have right now.